Perfecting the toothpick test, a baking essential. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning through practical examples. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as quirky as it is useful, especially in the kitchen. Use a toothpick test. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or just curious about English idioms and phrases, this video is for you. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this phrase. The phrase, use a toothpick test, is commonly used in cooking, especially baking. It's a simple yet effective method to check if baked goods, such as cakes, bread, muffins, or brownies, are fully cooked. Here's how it works. First, you take a clean toothpick. Then, you insert it into the center of your baked item. Finally, you pull it out to see if any batter sticks to it. If the toothpick comes out clean, or with a few dry crumbs, your baked item is done. If it comes out with wet batter, it needs more time in the oven. This test is beloved by bakers because it helps avoid overcooking while ensuring the inside is just right. Understanding the toothpick test is not just about baking. It's a window into English-speaking cultures where baking is a cherished tradition. This phrase illustrates how practical, everyday actions can become standardized expressions. For English language learners, recognizing such phrases enriches vocabulary and cultural knowledge, making you more proficient and confident in using the language in various contexts. To master the toothpick test, keep these tips in mind. Use a plain toothpick to avoid adding unwanted flavors to your dish. Insert the toothpick in the center of the item, as this is usually the last part to cook. Try different spots, especially for larger dishes, to ensure even cooking. Remember, the toothpick test is more than just a baking technique. It's a metaphor for testing and ensuring quality, a concept that can be applied in many areas of life. We hope this video has shed light on the curious yet incredibly useful phrase, use a toothpick test. It's a fantastic example of how language and culture intermingle, offering insights beyond the surface meaning. Whether you're testing a cake or testing the waters in a new situation, this phrase reminds us of the importance of checking before concluding. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Happy baking, and even happier learning!